Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping by single product weight for specific collections in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the single product weight condition. So first, we'll search for single product weight in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination, select Essential 2 combination to continue. Now you'll see two product selection options. Any products. If you select any products, this rule will apply to all products in the cart. Selected products. If you select selected products, the rule will trigger only when products matching the selected conditions are in the cart. After selecting this option, you can filter products by product, product tags, or collections. Now we select Selected Products, and here we choose Collections and set Bare Collection. When the Bare Collection product is in the cart, this rule will be applied. For this example, we choose More Than and set 10 kilograms. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Here, we can see that the Snow Bear product weight is set to 5 kilograms. Now go to the rule page and set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should be hidden when the Bare Collection products are in the cart, and any single product weight of that product is more than 10 kilograms. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the cart contains a Bare Collection single product weight of less than 10 kilograms. Now, let's add some product quantity and make more than 10 kilograms in the cart and check again. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how to hide shipping by single product weight for specific collection in Shopify. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!